Hi, welcome to another video, and in this video we will be discussing some strategies regarding equity investments, and I hope you will like it. Okay. Before we move on, I just request you to join my Prosper Well channel on Telegram if you have not joined already. You will find some good stuff on this channel. Okay. So we proceed to the video. Now here is the strategy one. Before we go to the strategy one, I want you to remember some things. This is not any stock or trading tip I'm giving or any recommendation I'm giving. And these strategies involve options trading. So I request you to know thoroughly what is options and what are option tradings, risks involved. So consult your broker or your investment consultant before doing any transaction regarding this. Okay, and this strategy is also not for retail investors because it involves minimum lot size. So minimum, for example, I have given minimum lot size for Reliance Industries is 500 in options trading. So the investments will be huge, 500 into current price of Reliance share. Okay, so we move on to strategy number one. This strategy is for someone who wants to buy some blue chip share. Okay, suppose you are having 9 to 10 lakhs of rupees and you want to buy some blue chip share. We have taken in this video example of Reliance Industries. So suppose you have money to invest and you want to invest in Reliance Industries share, but how can we go about it? Okay, we'll see. We'll understand by taking an example of Reliance Industries. See, you want to take Reliance Industries shares as investment for long term. Okay, the current price as of 31st July 2020 is 2066 per share. But suppose you want to buy at lower levels. Okay, you are very comfortable to buy this stock at 1900 per share. Okay, so what can you do about that? Before going, I will always suggest you always deal in top blue chip stocks only for these strategies. See, 1900 is the price you are happy to pay for long term investment. Okay, now I will show the strategy. This is the first strategy. On the left hand side, it is the put an option rate chart. Okay, so if you are very comfortable to buy a stock of Reliance Industries as 1900, 500 Reliance at 1900, sell put of strike price of 1900. So what you do, you have shown the price of that put option, it is 28.55. So in put or call options, whoever the seller is, he gets the premium, right? So you should know these things. Okay, now what you do, you sell a put of strike price 1900, but and you will get the premium of 28.55 into 500, so 14,275 you get as premium. Now remember, this is put option is expiring on 27th of August 2020, so we have to watch the 1900 price. If there will be two cases, two scenarios. Okay, by end of this call option or put option, I have written the date as 31st August, but the date of expiry is actually 27th August. So two things can happen on 27 August. First thing can happen is Reliance can close below 1900. So what will happen? You get the 500 shares at 1900 because you have already sold the put of 1900, right? And that you were wanting, you were wishing that 1900 I will buy 500 shares, so you got it, fine. Now another scenario is Reliance close above 1900. What will happen in that scenario? In that scenario, the option what you have sold, put option, right, it will expire, and you will get the 14,275 as your earning. Simple. And you can try another next month for that 1900 level. Till then you get the premium. This is how you get the income. Okay, hope you understood this. Now the strategies 2 is for the investors who want to sell their shares. Suppose you already have some shares, good shares at some good price. Now you want to sell at some target level. We take the example again of Reliance. Suppose you have got Reliance shares at 1900, but you want to sell at 2200, right? 300 profit per share into 500, so you can multiply and get your profit. But today the price of Reliance Industries is what? 2066 rupees, but you want to sell it for 2200, right? So what you can do, sell call option of strike price 2200. The premium you will get is 500 into 52.55. 26,275 is the premium you will get for selling the option, call option, right? So if suppose by the end of this expiry on 27th August, if the price rises to 2200 or above, you sell. You were happy to sell at 2200, you sell 500 shares for 2200. Already you have got 2200 minus 1900, 300 price per share profit. Okay, and suppose if doesn't happen, share doesn't go to 2200 level by 27 August, you just keep the premium of 26,275 as your earning. Simple. Hope you got all two strategies. This is actually the strategies are for long term investors who are wanting to have some good shares, strategy 1, or want to sell their own shares, strategy 2. Okay, so hope you had some value addition by watching this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.